The 3D Experience platform extends the capabilities of your engineering design data through manufacturing by leveraging the powerful capabilities and ease of use of Delmia's shop floor programmer. Getting started is quick and easy with the shop floor machining wizard. It simplifies the task of setting up your working environment with a guided step-by-step workflow. The wizard helps define the machine you will be machining with, standard tooling, and post-processing. It will also guide you in defining your stock material to standard sizes available within your shop. To speed up axial machining, hole feature recognition captures the diameters and depths of all the holes on the part. This will eliminate the need to interrogate the model and determine the correct tools to use later and simplify other machining operations. Once set up, you can start defining the machining operations. Surface roughing removes material from the entire part using the surface geometry as a reference. There's no need to define this in multiple steps. You have full control during each operation to optimize the process to your liking. Once calculated, you can review the toolpath to ensure it performs the way you were expecting in a traditional NC toolpath view. However, if you prefer to visually understand what has been machined already as you are working, you can enable Intermediate Stock, a visual tool that makes it clear what has and has not been machined yet. You can quickly see how boring the end diameters of this part will remove the material from the remaining stock using the Intermediate Stock as a visual aid, helping guide you through the machining process. For traditional prismatic machining, several process-specific tools make quick work of developing the NC programming. Pocketing, for example, understands the boundaries of a pocket and provides process-specific controls. Whenever you select a different tool for a process, such as this pocketing operation, a new tooling change is added to the activities process view automatically, saving you the time of having to specify these types of activities. Although Shop Floor Programmer automatically generates your NC code, you can customize many of these settings at any time. For example, you may want to make adjustments to the approach and retract of this operation. You can define this both numerically and with on-screen geometry. Drilling operations are simple to add, leveraging the automatic hole recognition defined with the wizard during the initial setup. Diameter, depth, and patterning are all predefined. All that's required is to add the operation and make any minor adjustments. For the final surface machining, you can use advanced surface finishing to precisely machine the entire part. This operation uses 3D machining to clean up any material left from the previous operations and provides a high tolerance finish. Advanced surface finishing can also be used for complex 3D geometry, such as the webbing on the bottom of the part. You can also define the boundaries of all operations, like this time-sensitive machining process, by using limiting contours. The selection tools make it easy to define this area using both existing geometry as well as automatic definitions. The graphical intermediate stock again quickly shows how this operation will machine the part, giving you a clear visual indicator of the results. Every setup, tooling change, and operation is tracked parametrically in the activities process view, giving you a clear understanding of the order of operations and allowing you to go back and make changes at any time. Finally, you can review the entire machining operation at any time by running a full simulation. Here, you can look for any final potential problems and clearly see the different types of machining operations defined by specific colors. Once satisfied with your results, all that's left is to save the NC code, fixture your stock, and start machining. Shop Floor Programmer streamlines the bridge from design to manufacturing by allowing you to work directly on your 3D design's model geometry. All of this is possible with the power of the 3D Experience platform.